Hello and welcome to Langlit Online. In today's video, we are going to talk about existentialism. Existentialism is a philosophical concept in English literature which flourished or started in the mid 20th century after World War II. These are the pioneers or the people who have started the movement: Martin Heidegger and Jean-Paul Sartre. Existentialism emphasized individual uniqueness. Every individual is unique and has got his or her own values and ethics and morals to live peacefully in the society. The individuals also have got freedom of responsibility. Freedom is the essence of existentialism. Everyone has got the freedom of executing whatever they want in life. And it also explores the nature of existence. What do you mean by existence? The way of living of people, how people exist in the society. What is their experience in human life? So it could be a positive experience or a negative experience. And here the focus is more on the human thoughts, actions, feelings. So this is called existentialism. In the current time, how are people existing? That is called existentialism. And the individual starting point is called existentialist angst or attitude. Whenever somebody begins with something, they have some kind of feeling or angst in them, which is called the existentialist angst. What is this angst? Let us talk about it. The meaning of this word angst is there is a sense of disorientation, disappointment, disillusionment, or confusion or anxiety in the meaningless or absurd world. So there is this kind of feeling in everybody that nobody can live peacefully in this meaningless world or absurd world. They have a kind of disillusionment or confusion. In existentialism, human experience is most important. This experience can be good or bad. Soren Kierkegaard, he is considered to be the first existentialist philosopher. Jean-Paul Sartre popularized the movement, whereas Soren Kierkegaard is considered the first existentialist philosopher. And according to this theory, every individual is responsible for giving meaning to life. So, if at all you find your life to be meaningless, you can find meaning by yourself, by creating your own values, morals, or ethics. And you can live life to the fullest. You can live sincerely and authentically as well. So, it is the individual's responsibility to live a free life and give meaning to your own life. So human beings create their own values and give a meaning to their life. This is the key concept in existentialism. Now, these are Sartre's own words about existentialism. He says, existence precedes essence. Firstly, we need to live in this world. We need to exist. Then only we gain the experience. Then only the essence of life is seen. So existence always precedes essence. We need not give importance to the essence of life, but give more importance to existence of life. That is the key concept of existentialism. And the individuals also act independently or responsible and courageous beings rather than what labels, roles, stereotypes they are ascribed to. So whatever stereotypes are there for men and women or how people have to live in the society, if they have the freedom, if they have the independence, and if they are responsible and courageous beings, then that itself is more important in existentialism. The writings of W.H. Auden from 1940s have the theme of Christian existentialism. So W.H. Auden, he used this theme of Christian existentialism. Iris Murdoch wrote a study of Sartre where he used existentialism as the theme. So these are the works on existentialism. So this is about existentialism. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the content of this video. Thank you.